Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Before I start my lesson, let me tell you something that happened in my childhood. So during my 10th class exams, my brother told me, if you pass your exams, I'll buy a watch. If you pass your exam, I'll buy a watch. So this is the promise that he made. So my brother made a promise with a condition. If the condition fulfills, he will fulfill his promise. Let's look at the sentence. If you pass the exam, this is the condition he made. I'll buy a watch. Okay. So if this is going to happen, then it will happen. If it doesn't happen, it's also not going to happen. Okay. So these types of sentences are called conditional sentences. In this video, I am going to teach you conditional sentences. So we can classify conditional sentences into 4 types. Zero conditionals, type 1, type 2 and type 3. So in this video, I am going to talk about zero conditionals. Let's move to the examples. Guys, let's learn zero conditionals. So zero conditional means, so it doesn't change in if clause and main clause. There won't be change in as far as tense is concerned. If it rains, the ground gets wet. So if it rains is a if clause. Okay, this is the conditional clause. The ground gets, this is the main clause. So what is the tense here? Let's look at it carefully. The tense is simple present tense. If it rains, the ground gets wet, simple present tense, right? So here simple present tense, here also simple present tense. There is no change in tense. That's why this is called conditional sentence, conditional, zero conditional. But in other types of conditionals, there will be change in tense. Okay, so let's look at other examples. If you smoke, you get cancer. So what is the tense here? Present tense. Here also present tense. If you smoke, you get cancer. Okay, if I have time, I prepare well. So here present tense. So if I have time, I prepare well. So if you freeze water, it turns into ice. Okay, so in all these sentences, okay, so the tense is present tense. Which present tense? Simple present tense. So here, so zero conditionals we use for the facts firstly. So this is the fact or truth. This is a general truth. What is general truth? If it rains, the ground gets water. Okay? If you stand in the rain, you will get wet. This is the general truth. It doesn't change. Okay? If you smoke, you get cancer. Okay? So this is also fact. This is also fact or truth. If I have time, I prepare well. So this is what? This is about me. This is about me. This is true in my case. This is true in my case. It may not be true in your case. So this is true in my case. I am talking about myself and I am talking about my attitude. So I say if I have time, I prepare well. But it may be different in your case. Here, if you freeze water, it turns into ice. If you freeze water, this is also scientific truth. So zero conditional is used for the facts, general truths, and when we talk about ourselves and when we talk about others' attitude. Right. So let's look at more examples. Guys, look at more examples. Zero conditionals, if you mix yellow and blue, you get green. Okay, if you mix yellow and blue, you get green. So what is this? This is a fact. This is a fact. It is always true. This is truth, scientific truth. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. Next, I get tired if I work too much. Look here, I reversed it. If I get tired if I work too much. Right. So if class here and the main class here. So you can write it anyway. So next thing, so you get wet the same way. You get wet if you stand in the rain. So what is this? This is also fact. So this is what? I get tired if I work too much. This is about me. Okay, this is what happens to me. Okay, next one. If I get ready early, I walk to the bus stop. If I get ready early, I walk to the bus stop. Otherwise, I take auto and I travel to bus stop. If I get time, I generally walk to the bus stop. Okay, so what is this? This is also, I'm talking about myself. This is about me. Okay, and if people eat too much, this is a general truth. This is a truth. So you can believe it. If people eat too much, they get fat fastly. So next, baby wakes up if you make noise. So what is this baby wakes up? You can warn people. So when something is happening, for example, people have come and they are making noise, and what you can say, don't make. Okay, in the same way, you make noise. If you make noise, the baby wakes up. This can be a warning. This can be a warning. So baby wakes up if you make noise. Next here. Next two sentences are about instructions. Don't wait for me if I am late. Don't wait for me if I am late. This is a instruction to the subordinate, instruction to your friends, etc. So in the same way, next one, if you don't work hard, you don't get success. So this can be a warning, this can be a suggestion. If you don't work hard, you don't get success. Okay, so guys, these are all about zero conditionals. So zero conditionals, why? So there are no changes in a main clause. If you mix yellow, this is a present tense, you get green present tense. Okay, so this is you have to remember this, and we'll see the remaining things in the next videos. Guys, this is all about zero conditionals. We learned zero conditionals, and if you like this video, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe. Thank you for your time.